Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to add new language in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then into Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility, then tap. Then in the Accessibility, go to Vision section, then tap the VoiceOver. Then after that, in the VoiceOver, find and tap the Speech. Then in the Speech, find the Rotor Languages and find the Add New Language. Then tap. Then after that, in this part, in the Add New Languages, you can select the language that you want. For example, you want to add the Chinese, Taiwan. Then all you have to do is just tap the language that you want. And as you can see that the language that you added is already appear here in your speech section. Download and select a voice to use these languages in the language rotor. And if you want to add another one, just click again the add new language. Then select again the language that you want. For example, I want to select again the Arabic world. Then all you have to do is just tap. And as you will see that the added languages is already here in your Rotor Languages. And that's it. We have successfully added new language and voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!